Okay, weaklings.
Here we are. We're back again.
Hello.
Due to the recent news about Apple, we're going to show you how to do a do-it-yourself, in-house tutorial changing the thingy.
So here's what you're gonna need to start. So, I'm bleeding. So we need a hot glue gun, some duct tape.
Is this the glue gun?
Well, let me lay these out. Can we do like a?
And is this one? That's glue gun.
These are the glue guns. So
Should we frame it just so they can see it a little better?
Yeah.
Okay, so as you may be familiar with your iPhone,
Which iPhone is this?
iPhone X, I believe. I think it came out like 2008.
is this repair gonna work for every iPhone?
Who's to say?
Can you get my hands?
We're not experts, but we're not experts.
Yeah, we'll shop it in.
Yeah.
Give me like 5 seconds.
We'll do it in
post.
This is the battery.
This is what we're working with today.
So this is the typing part. This is the touch screen.
And we sued Apple over this.
Just kind of some of the outer shell, the exoskeleton, if you will. So to start with, you're gonna want to clean your equipment.
Stated device.
A little soap.
You gotta add a little bit of soap.
So you can do this on any,
You can leave it open. I
okay.
said it's ultra clean. No, fucking heavy duty. And we're doing cold or warm cold?
I think it's
or
cold
warm
storage.
orange?
Cold storage.
Bring a small load.
Because only doing one.
Just one.
You can actually do multiple.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna. You want to emulsify the soap by adding extra soap during the spinning process.
You want to put the wine bottle in there?
Oh my god.
Socks help alleviate the process.
All right.
So it's done. Now that your pieces are clean, you're gonna want to start the green light on there indicates that it is
We're
clean.
making progress.
If it's a red light, you want to throw it back in there for another 10 to 15 minutes. But it looks like
How
we're
long?
good. Another 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
How long? Another 10 to 15 minutes. And get started on the assembly. So the backbone's connected to the thigh
Do
bone.
we need to dry it or?
Yeah, it's super important.
Can you
Like
draw
the
me
battery can go in there
one
wet.
of Okay.
Cut it.
Um,
Don't cut it.
Photoshop me like holding a paper towel.
Yeah, here.
So something that Apple did with the iPhone X that really took it in a new direction is actually how they integrated. And Silicon Valley went kind of crazy over it. So it's on here.
1, 2, 3.
So you'll notice there's 1, 2, 3.
Just got 1, 2, 3.
There's 1, 2, and 3.
I don't know about you viewers, but this is making sense to me.
We've been sort of going sort of slow for all of the like idiots and nincompoops out there, but since we're kind of certified Mac and iPhone geniuses, so we're gonna start speeding it up here. We'll actually play this in 2 times speed.
I'm gonna put this part in slow motion.
Slow motion.
No, I can just do it on the computer.
Oh,
This
Add a couple dollops.
this repair only works for iPhone X, so do not.
So the display here.
Why do you guys keep looking at me?
Display here is certified with 5 times gold Gorilla Glue glass. Gorilla Glass, which is actually 5 times stronger than the previous model, which had the 4X Gold Glue Gorilla Glass. Then this is the actually the facial recognition technology.
You want to say hi?
It's an advanced data tracking service. Is what
Hi.
Beep, boop.
Oh, there it is.
Oh, wow, that's really coming together. Nice.
And you can see how
job,
just how
guys.
innovative the display is.
Okay, so we're almost done.
What's that for the viewers that don't know?
This is an iPhone X.
iPhone X.